Hey Crystal Ball, please tell me about this lead. Is it low touch sales or high touch sales? Don't lie! Don't lie! Tell me! Tell me the truth! Hi friends, I've already told you about the importance of lead scoring. Lead scoring is something that every business needs. When you know who your customers are and you can measure their importance in the correlation with your business, then of course you can plan your revenue and you can rely on this data to build great sales machine. In the previous video I told you about the connection between lead scoring and the sales. You remember low touch sales, mid touch sales and high touch sales. This video is about how you can actually give certain points to your customers. Like you need to rely on something, you need to understand what a point is, you need to understand its value because it's actually a figure like 1, 2, 7, yeah, and how you can work with it. Before I go into details, I want to ask your advice. I've just told to my colleague who helps me with these videos, and my concern is about showing you the practical side, like showing you some certain interface, how you can create lead scoring from the technical point of view. So that is my position, while my colleague says, okay, everybody understands how to configure lead scoring, everybody understands the practical side. So we actually haven't come to any conclusion and we haven't reached the mutual understanding of this, so we are asking for your help. Please comment if we need to give you the technical side of lead scoring. If yes, then please wait for part 3, and that's going to be announced on our YouTube channel pretty soon. All right, so different people come to your website and they're from different companies or they're just different individuals of different value to your business. How to connect these value to lead scoring? Well, there are 3 ways how you can score your leads. Let's start with the first one. That is especially precious to B2B companies. Like a lead comes to your website, they share their contact details somewhere, probably in the lead magnet, or they have just subscribed to your newsletter, and you see the domain of the email they've shared with you, and you understand, big fish is here. Or you have the access to a platform that can analyze the lead by its email address. Like you have the access to some big data, and that is the clue to understanding how important this lead is to your business. That's what you can do. And one more thing, you can actually do this from the professional point of view or relying on your own expertise. Like, okay, you see the domain and you understand, yeah, that is the company that is likely to buy from us, and we are going to put this lead into high touch sales, for example. Or you see that it's just gmail.com and okay, that is low touch sales. Yeah, well, really depends on your business model, so I'm giving you just the overall picture of it. Well, the second way how you can score your website visitors and your customers, potential ones and standing ones, is to measure their journey on your website. So what I mean to say is that you can track what pages they visit, what elements they focus on, what items they click on, what articles from your blog they read through, whether they reach the bottom of the article or not, whether they're actually interacting with your lead magnets or not. So like the more activities leads are doing on your website, the high chances are that this is your potential customer who is interested in you. They have almost fallen in love with you and they are ready to buy from you. But here the main thing is to understand the real picture of it. Like, okay, that may be just some loitering about the website, or that may be somebody is really interested in your product. So you need to create sort of system that gives you an understanding, okay, I can score a lead by this and that criteria, or I can also get some points back if, for example, they go to career section. Yeah, so that is something that you need to decide internally, and the combination of the activities on the website should give you the understanding if that is your lead or not. And also the score should give you the understanding what sales they're going to go through: low touch, mid touch, or high touch. And there is the third way to score your leads, probably the easiest one in some cases. So you need to ask your website visitors. There are plenty of leads qualification options, and I've covered this process in this video. Go and check how you can qualify leads and how you can actually embed it into your business processes. In a nutshell, you can create some lead qualification pop-up windows. Like, you are selling houses and you have houses that are $1,000 and you have houses that are $100,000. So you can actually just create a pop-up window asking like what type of house you're interested in, and when a lead clicks on certain picture, button, or whatever you create, you get the understanding, okay, mid-touch sales or high-touch sales. So that is it. Lead scoring is something that will drive your business towards the revenue goals. So you just need to make sure that you use lead scoring in a very wise way. And when I say wise way, I mean that you should check all the scores thoroughly and give the highest score to the ones who are likely to become your customer. Please don't forget about the technical side of lead scoring. We need to know if that is a must-tell for you. So let us know in comments if part 3 is going to be live one day. Thank you, friends, and see you in the next videos. Bye!